Heijmans, I'm senior buyer at Heijmans, a big construction company, responsible for buying audio video for own use and all our projects. Well, at first we are searching for an eye catcher for the remodeling of our hall, and we decided to buy a LED display. Well, at first the resolution was important to measure if all the content could be on the screen. That was the first choice. Part of the minimum requirement was that we could share the content which we stand for, to share it with our personnel and guests.
My name is Bart Sloot. I'm the sales director of BIS Econocom, one of the leading integrated companies in Europe, and we are part of the listed company, the Econocom Group. Heijmans wanted to refurbish and renovate the central hall, and there were two aspects really the key elements: innovation and the wow factor. And after a short inventarization and hearing what their ambitious statements were, we decided to choose for the 7000 series of Philips. In this concept we worked together with an architect, because one of the challenges was the brightness, because here in the central hall there's a lot of light. And we have to adjust that in making good choices for the indoor LED. The major benefit for us as a system integrator is that this kind of solution is really cost effective and you can be very creative, so that's really marvelous. The installation was really great because it was a flawless installation and we couldn't find any dead pixel. I would really recommend PPDS with the Philips 7000 series, because it's easy, very easy to use, and it's highly cost effective, and that's really a good argument for us as an integrator. So it's all the balls on Philips.